Warrior training, providing the power to become. Technical analysis on the US dollar, Japanese yen. Today is Tuesday, 19 February 2008. Time 0934 Eastern Standard Time, 0834 Central Standard Time. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart. Price has been in that turning pattern from the previous downtrend, going into a consolidation, and has lifted above our inner and outer trios, tested the green and the fluorescent green. Take the crosshairs off. Caught support, it then rose, giving us a lower right side for an M. It did not close below the apex of the M, but did penetrate through to our purple and our orange. Caught support and rose back above our green and fluorescent green, and is now meeting resistance from our red-blue cross. Lower indicators are all in a decent confluence, so we're looking good for this turning market. Taking a look at the 1-hour chart. We had a trio cross, the inner trio cross, and catch support at the 107.20 previous support level. And then on a 15-minute, price has been in a steady rise since the latter part of the European session. Nice retracement between the inner trio, meeting some resistance from that rise from our purple. Our fluorescent and our green are in a nice trending area. Lower indicators are in a good posture for a sell. So for this session, price has been on the rise for about a 60 pip retracement from the fall from the London session. So today's trend is here, retracing to here, to our green averages. Tweezer tops developing. Let's draw a fib, showing from the high of 108.20 range to the low of 107.21, and their retracement has been to the 61.8. So we have a confluence of technical areas for this bear pattern that is developing for a possible sell. Let's see if we can set up a trade for the immediate future. Zooming in closer to the action, showing the same rise. Nice bear pattern developing. This candle has been the high so far for the session, catching resistance for the pullback. Nice tweezers developing on the 15-minute. Let's set up for a sell. We will be selling dollars and buying yen. With our stop above 107.90. Our flag is red, showing that we have to cover the spread. So right now, we are down 4 pips. Setting our stop. I'm going to put that stop at 107.98. Remember, when the flag turns blue, it's at break even. We're already at break even. Now back down 1 pip. We like it when we go straight to profit. We have our ascending channel drawn. Let's mark that bearish pressure with a bear symbol. In fact, let's make the size of the bear a little bigger, showing we anticipate a fairly strong move. Once again, that's the fall. We're at the retracement at the 61.8. Nice confluence of technical events showing a bear move in the immediate future, with the price anticipated to get down to here just below 107.45 range. Let's mark that with our trademark smiley face. Put it 107 about 35 based on the Pip Warrior price projection method. Take note that our trio is all within a 10 pip range, which is why we focus on this pair. We like it when there's a tight shot group between the trio and its affiliates. Back to break even, 4 pips profit, 5 pips profit, so this 15-minute candle closes in about 15 seconds, closing as a channel break, which is a good sign to stay in the trade. Candle opens outside the channel. Price is now at 107.59, so we will lower our stop, lock in 1 pip, putting our stop at 107.73. Now stop is lowered, and if price comes back to 107.73, we'll be stopped out with 1 pip profit. And of course, the projection according to the methodology is a 107.35 range. Price is now at 107.47. Getting close to our projected 107.35 price point. Approaching 30 pips profit. And because price is hesitating and slowing at the 107.50 psychological area and didn't just punch through quickly, we're going to close and take our profit and walk away, keeping in line with the Pip Warrior methodology. And as we can see, price did make it to the projection of 107.34. For more information, visit us at www.pipwarrior.com. Email us at info@pipwarriortrainer.com or phone area code 512-314-5668. Pip Warrior Training, providing the power to become.